The consolidated net profit attributable to stockholders of the company was $2.5 billion, 93 million, or 4% below the prior year's result. The current quarter includes the impact of Hurricane Melissa, which affected the quarter's performance through higher insurance claims, increased expected credit losses, lower fee income, and elevated operating costs.
Operating income for the quarter was also $33.5 billion, a 5% decline in the prior period.
This was largely due to the $8.7 billion or 139% reduction in gain from foreign currency and investment activities.
Despite these pressures, NCBFG says its balance sheet remains strong. Total assets increased by $2.42 trillion, up 6% over the prior year. Group CEO Robert Almeida says the company priorities are clear: strengthening core earnings and managing risk with continued prudence.
First quarter performance, which you just heard about, has been broadly in line with our expectations. As debt continues to decline and dividends from our operating subsidiaries increases, we expect the free cash flow available, it's kind of like the Jaws, Ian Chinapoo says, so that the interest from the debt to go down, the earnings to keep going up, therefore increasing the free cash flow to NCB Financial Group, and therefore that would also create more free cash flow available for further debt reduction and for dividend increases going forward.
Annual general meeting on Friday. The JSE index declined by 1,039 points, while the junior market index advanced by 8 points. The winners include Margaritaville Turks, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Paramount Trading, and KLE Group. The losers include CAC 2000, Jamaica Public Service 9.5%, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar ordinary shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Jamaica Public Service 7%. 15 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.02. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.15. The pound is going for $215.89, while the euro is selling for an average $188.75. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.